Hey there and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to allow microphone access for the TikTok app on your Android phone. If your voice isn't being picked up or you're having trouble recording, this quick fix will solve the issue in just a few simple steps. Locate the TikTok app icon on your Android phone's home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the TikTok icon until a small menu appears. From the menu, tap on App Info. After that, scroll down and click on Permissions to open the list of all permission settings for TikTok. Now, tap on Microphone from the list of available permissions. Finally, choose Allow Only while using the app or Allow to grant microphone access. That's it. You've now enabled the microphone for TikTok successfully. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need it.